Okay, Mama's Little Helper. What a drag it is getting old. Kids are different today. I hear every mother say, Mother needs something today to calm her down. And though she's not really ill, there's those little yellow pills that she goes running for the shelter of her mother's little helper, and it helps her on her way, gets her through her busy day. Now things are different today. I hear every mother say cooking fresh food for her husband is such a drag. So she buys her instant cake and her burns her frozen steak and goes running for the shelter of her mother's little helper, and it helps her on her way, gets her through her busy day. So doctor, please, some more of these outside the door. She took 4 more. What a drag it is getting old. Men just aren't the same today. I hear every mother say they just don't appreciate they're getting tired. They're so hard to satisfy, you can tranquilize your mind. So go running for the shelter of a mother's little helper, and for help you through the night, help you minimize your plight. So doctor, please, some more of these outside the door. She took 4 more. What a drag it is getting old. Life's just much too hard today. I hear every mother say, pursuit of happiness just seems a bore. And if you take more of those pills, you will get an overdose. No more running for the shelter of a mother's little helper. They just help you on your way through your busy dying day. Oi! I think that's a wrap. Oh, boy. Well, I hope you listened to those words.